Hello everyone, how are you? Thank you for joining me again on this video. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching me. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you very useful strategies on how you can become a qualified dental nurse within 1 year, how you can relocate to the United Kingdom, get a top-up degree, and become a dental nurse registered with the General Dental Council here in the United Kingdom and become a dental nurse. So please make sure you watch this video to the end. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done that. And yes, I'm going to go straight into the video. So first, we're going to ask ourselves, who are dental nurses? Dental nurses support the dentist in every area of dental care. So when you go to see the dentist, you see the dental nurse by the side, they're recording, they're helping the dentist with all the equipment and all the instruments and the tools that they need. So dental nurses need to be trained in dental care. So many people have been talking about adult nursing, pediatric nursing, mental health nursing, and I wondered, why are people not talking about dental nursing? So dental nursing is a very interesting aspect of nursing that has been, underlooked. So I want to bring this to your notice, and I want you in 2023 to start thinking about how to progress your career, what to do. Maybe you always wanted to study nursing, but now you're a mom, you're a dad, you're a parent, you have a very busy work life, and you're thinking, how can I go back to school for 3 years to study nursing? Hey, I have got good news for you. Good news has come to you. So you just sit back, relax, and join me on this journey of how to become a dental nurse in the United Kingdom in just 1 year. So, how can I become a dental nurse? There are various pathways you could take to become a dental nurse, one of which is you can go to college to get a degree, you can go and do an apprenticeship, or you can work towards the role. So I'm going to be taking you through a series. I want you to get a very good understanding of what this is all about. So you could go to college and you get all the skills, you get trained, you get the knowledge you need, and you're also going to be working part-time. You need to also be on placement to get the table side skills that you need to become a dental nurse. This could include a level 3 diploma in dental nursing, and you can also do like a course as well in the university. The course will be, like I said earlier, a mixture of full-time study with work experience and a placement in a dental practice or in a hospital. So what are the entry requirements if you are going to college? You usually need a minimum of 4 or 5 GCSEs at grade level 9 to 4. So I'm just going to break this down for those of you that are watching in other countries. So what GCSEs are in the United Kingdom is equivalent to your secondary school degree. So if you're watching me from West Africa, it will be your WAEC, West African Education Council, your WAEC certificate. You need a minimum of C6 in maths and English. And if you're watching from India or the Philippines or any other country, you need your secondary school leaving certificate. You need to have a minimum credit in maths and English. So that is the minimum requirements you need to qualify. And obviously, you need to be at least 16 years old, but there is no age limit. There's no barrier to entry. No matter how old you are, you can do this course. So don't let age stop you. You can do this course at any age, at any stage of your life and your career. All you need is a willingness. All you need is a determination to say, hey, look, maybe you're 30 or you're 40 or you're 50 or you're 55. And you're saying to yourself, I want to make a change. I want to change my status quo. I want to change what I've been doing. And now is the right time to change. So you need this minimum requirement. If you do not have a C6 or if you do not have a credit in maths and English, there's good news for you. Many colleges and universities will accept a functional skill. So what is a functional skill? I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box. Functional skills are courses that you can do. They're equivalent to grade 2. You can do it in maths and English. And most, you can do it online as well. You can do it in 3 months fast track. You can do it in 8 weeks. So once you do it, the functional skill, pre-adventure, you're here and you're saying, but I maybe don't have a secondary school leaving certificate. Don't let that stop you. So I would leave a link in my description box to how you can, get your functional skill level 2 in maths and English. So what else do you need? I talked about the apprenticeship route. So if you're already in the UK, you can go through the apprenticeship route. That is, a whole topic for another YouTube video. I'll try to find time and do how you can get into dental nursing using the apprenticeship route if you are already here in the UK. So you also need a level 3 diploma. So you would need a level 3 diploma in health and social care or in adult care. So having a level 3 diploma would really fast track the process for you. And you can get a level 3 diploma in as little as 3 months if you are really serious and if you follow an intensive program to do a level 3 diploma in adult care or in health and social care. So once you do your level 3 diploma, all you need is just 1 year, and then you do your top up. You do a top up degree in dental nursing and you will qualify. You take some exams. Obviously, you have your OSCE. You will do all the exams, that the school will put you through, and you follow all the requirements of the General Dental Council, and you qualify as a registered dental nurse in the United Kingdom. So isn't that great? Isn't that awesome? So simple. In 3 easy steps, you can become a dental nurse this year. In 3 easy steps, you can become a dental nurse within the next 1 year. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is to take action now. You just need to take action now. So I'm also going to share with you some very useful tips and information. There are links I will share here on how to register with the General Dental Council. Obviously, that is not required until you go through the course and you pass and, you go through all the requirements. But for now, what does it take? What do you need? What skills do you need? You need the ability to work well with others. You need to be thorough and pay attention to details. You need to be patient. You need to be calm in stressful situations. You need to be sensitive and understanding. You need a knowledge of medicine and dentistry. So that is where the level 3 diploma in adult care or health and social care will come in very handy for you. You need a bit of customer service skills. So for those of you that have worked in retail or in sales, or you've done some customer service, this would come in very handy in your applications for admissions, okay? So you need very excellent verbal and communication skills. You need the ability to work well with your hands, because as you know, in dentistry, you do a lot of work with your hands, and you need to be quite confident with your hands, and you need to be able to carry out basic tasks on a computer or handheld device. In addition to these requirements, you would also need what we call a police check. You need to get a police report, or in the United Kingdom is called a disclosure barring, service, a DBS. You would need a DBS to come on this course. But if you're outside the UK, you need a police report. Okay, so what will you do as a dental nurse? Let's look at some of the tasks that you will be required to do. So your day-to-day task as a dental nurse could include sterilizing equipment, passing them, handing them over to the dentist. You need to prepare materials to make fillings. You need to remove water and saliva from the patient's mouth during treatment. Maybe when the hygienist or the dentist is doing scaling and polishing, you need to assist them. You need to make sure that the patient is very comfortable, and you need to keep tidy the surgery and all the records about the patient. So this will be your day-to-day task as a dental nurse. Guys, this is quite easy compared to adult nursing. So for all those of you rushing to adult nursing, rushing to mental health nursing, you may want to consider this pathway to become a registered dental nurse. Okay, we're going to look at how much a dental nurse earns in a bit. So just hang on. I will tell you what's in for you when you become a dental nurse, what's the package, how much you can look forward to earn as a dental nurse. Okay, so where can you work as a dental nurse? You can work anywhere, like in a dental practice, in a private dental practice. You can work at a healthcare center. You can work in an NHS or private hospital. So there are lots of opportunities for you as a dental nurse. There are lots of opportunities. There are places where you can work. And now let's look at your career path and progression. So I always say I am so passionate about career progression. So it is not where you start that matters, but it is where you are determined to get up to. There are days of little beginnings. You can start small, but you should always aspire. So you should always aspire for progress and promotion in your personal and in your career development. So as a dental nurse, let's look at your career pathway, your progression. You could move into a team leader role. You could become a manager or dental practice manager. So if you're really serious about this, you use 1 year to get your top-up degree and you become a dental nurse. Within 3 years, you can do some more certifications and courses and you can actually become a dental practice manager. You can progress to become a dental hygienist or a dental therapist with further training, or you could become an orthodontic therapist to help the dentist improve the look and position of the patient's teeth. So you're helping the surgeon, you know. You could also become a dental nurse surgeon. You could go into plastic surgery, facial aesthetics. You know, you could go into medical aesthetics as well with further training. So there are lots of benefits and there are lots of progression and progression pathways that you could follow as a dental nurse. So now is the time, please. So I'm just looking on the National Careers website and I can see there are lots of current opportunities which I will share with you. I'm looking at an apprentice dental nurse could earn up to £21,000 per annum as an apprentice, not yet a dental nurse. I'm looking at a diploma in dental nursing level 3. You could earn up to £15,000 when you're practicing and when you're on your placements. So there are so many jobs. I'll share the link to the job description box where you can work as a dental nurse, what you expect to earn as a dental nurse. So now, how can you actually become a qualified dental nurse in 1 year? So yes, let's look at this. If you should get on the level 3 diploma in adult care, say in March, so you use 3 months to do the level 3, April, May, June, you're through with your level 3 diploma in adult nursing. And then you register and you apply for a dental nursing degree. There are various universities and colleges here in the UK where you can come and do a one year top-up, dental nursing degree. So I'm going to be more than happy, to assist you in that process of, getting admission once you do the course. So Grammatorial offers the level 3 diploma in health and social care. We also offer the level 3 diploma in adult care. So if you do it with us, if you do it at Grammatorial, we will support you with getting admission as well for the 1 year top-up degree. So advise you on the universities that you could go to, the cheap colleges or affordable colleges. I wouldn't really say cheap. We'll advise you on affordable colleges, where you can come and do the 1 year top-up. You guys need to be intentional this year. You need to be strategic. Strategy is what matters. Everybody's running in one direction. You need to sit down and pause. Which direction can I run? Not just because everybody is doing something, do it. Think about it. Think about 4 years' time, 5 years' time, 10 years' time. Is this a career that I will be happy with? Is this something I want to do for the next 10 years? Is there any career prospect? Is there any career progression in this thing that I'm doing? Don't just throw money around. That money that you are going to pay to someone to say, take 10,000 to do something for me, you can do it yourself. You can use that money to invest in yourself. You can use that money to gain a qualification. In as little as 1 year, you can become a dental nurse. So why pay money into an unknown thing, into something you don't know what the end will be? Why do you want to do that? So now is the time, so that now is the time for you to think about the future. You need to think futuristically. You need to have a plan, have a goal in mind. You've heard everything I said about the career progression. You've heard what I've said. So the medical industry is advancing. The facial beauty industry is advancing. As a dental nurse, you deal with, the face, with the mouth, so you can easily progress into the beauty industry. Become a facial esthetician, you become a medical esthetician. There's a lot you can do with this degree. There's a lot you can do as a dental nurse. So now let's look at how we can help you here at Grammatorial. So we offer the level 3 diploma in health and social care. That would offer you direct entry. We'll give you admission support, and we'll also support you with your student visa to the United Kingdom. You will also need to have like work experience here in whichever country you are, if you're doing the adult care. So we'll support you and we'll talk to you as well. If you're in a country where you're unable to do a work experience, we'll also support you with what you can do. There are some non-clinical units that you can take. So people have reached out to me and said, oh, they are unable to get a hospital. There are non-clinical units that you can take. So we'll speak to you about that if that is your situation. We'll also help you with reference. We'll provide reference for you if you study with us. And we will, guide you through this journey. Like we always say in Grammatorial, it's not a cliche. We hold your hands, we guide you, we help you, we support you, we mentor you. That is who we are. We're not just agents, we're consultants. We advise you, we support you, we help you through this journey. We teach you how to fish. We don't just give you a fish. We don't spoon feed you. So you'll be ready to put in the work. So if you're here and you have listened to everything I've said and you want to say to me, Laura, I think I want to take this opportunity. I want to become a dental nurse. I want to look back at this time next year. I want to say I've done something great for my career. I've done something great for my life, my future, my children. People are looking up to you. People are looking up to you, so you want to take a step and say, I think this is for me. I'm going to leave some links in the description box so that you can go and do some more research yourself. Don't take everything I tell you hook, line, and sinker. Go and verify and validate the information I've given to you. So I'm going to put the National Careers website, link on the description box. I'm going to also put some other links for you to go and do some more research. And if you think that you want to invest money wisely, invest in yourself. Invest in your self-development. Invest in your own progress. And we are here to support you. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not hit the like and subscribe button, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and share this link with a friend. You may just be helping someone. So if you think that this is not for you, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it on your page. Someone's life may just be transformed by watching this video. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video, which is how to become a nursing associate and register with the NMC. You take care. Bye. Bye for now.